Here's a simple step-by-step guide to hide your Amazon orders in 2026. Open your browser and go to Amazon.com. Order hiding works best on the desktop website, so avoid using the Amazon app for this. Hover over Accounts and Lists at the top right. From the drop-down menu, click Your Orders. This will show your full order history. Scroll through your order list and locate the item you want to hide. Amazon does not allow you to fully delete orders, but you can hide them from your main order history. On the right side of the order, click Order Details. Then scroll down and click Archive Order. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Archive Order again. This moves the item into a separate hidden section, so it no longer appears in your regular order list. To view your hidden items later, go back to your orders, then open the drop-down at the top left that says Filter Orders or Past 3 months. Select Archived Orders. Only you can see this section. If you want to bring an archived order back, simply go to the archived list, open the order, and click Unarchive Order. It will return to your main order history. And that's how you hide orders on Amazon quickly and safely. If this helped, feel free to like and subscribe.